changing up the scenery. We are just headed down 5th Ave now to the ferry, and we are catching a boat and heading to Cozumel for the day. We went there yesterday and got our tickets. We have booked our transportation, which is going to be fun. We have no excursions planned while we're on Cozumel. We're just going to tour around and do a do-it-yourself tour, the best kind of tour. It is about 9 o'clock in the morning, and I can't believe how hopping it is here on 5th Ave so early in the morning. I don't usually get up this early and get out and about. But the restaurants are busy, people are out jogging, riding their bikes, walking their dogs. The ferries are very rough going from Playa del Carmen to Cozumel. So I don't usually get motion sickness, neither does Jay, but there's a first for everything. So cross our fingers, hope it goes good. We made it to Cozumel, and all the reviews are right. Woo! Was that boat rockin'? Wowzers. We're just on our way to the car rental place now. Everybody's making a mass exodus off the boat. The big Norwegian cruise ship when we came in, that was pretty cool. Lots of people wanting to sell you things. Jay gets our car for the day. I want to talk about the boat real quick, and I just wanted to let you know that there are two ways to get to Cozumel from Playa del Carmen, and that is Ultramar boat and the Windjet boat. We took the Windjet boat. We ended up booking our tickets yesterday thinking that we would beat the lineups, and the ticket that we bought, we wanted the 10 o'clock boat, but the ticket doesn't correlate with the time to get on the boat. So it's like you go, you pay for the ticket. The ticket was just under 1,000 pesos for both of us round trip. And it didn't matter what time we were leaving. It's really an all-day ticket. So as long as you are there to catch the boat on time, then you are good to go. But I mean, the Windjet boat was very comfortable. They had big seats, and it was rocky, like I said. There were people coming around selling drinks and booze and different things. So there's definitely not a lack of that if you wanted to get a drink or something to snack on. But I just wanted to go through that real quick. So we arrived about 25 minutes before the boat actually left, and we stood in line for a little bit, went through the security, and that was very, very easy. Then when we actually got onto the boat, it didn't leave the dock until about 10 after 10, and it arrived in Cozumel at about 10 to 11. So it was pretty quick, pretty easy ride. It actually kind of lulled me to sleep a little bit. So no motion sickness for me, yay! So we are just about ready to get our car for the day and go and explore Cozumel. Can't adjust the mirrors. The odometer doesn't work. His steering wheel.
There is the steering is shot. The link doesn't work completely.
There's so much play in the steering wheel. It is funny. And I don't know if you can hear the continuous clicking of the window. It's just rattling like crazy. And there's absolutely no stereo whatsoever.
No radio.
And the horn doesn't work. We're gonna keep adding them up as the day goes by. Good times.
But it's bug.
But it's a bug. So right now we are driving on the west side of the island, and I thought you'd be able to see a lot more beach from the road, but it's completely jungle on both sides. So you cannot see the ocean whatsoever. Maybe when we get to the east side, it'll be a little better. So we have a couple of public beaches marked on the map. Since I didn't really want to go and spend the money at a beach club to spend, you know, I don't know, 1,000 pesos a day just to go to the beach club and swim and just eat their food. We wanted to do a little bit more of a budget tour on Cozumel. So we have a couple of public beaches to go to, and then we're going to stop and have lunch, find some good eats somewhere. I have a place on the map marked. Can't think of the name right now. But we're going to check that out too. But right now we're enjoying the drive in a convertible, laughing, having fun. Yeah. I think for now we're just going to drive until we see ocean and then go from there. Okay, so we made it to the first public beach, and it's called Playa Rocas, and that just means rocky beach. There's really no beach, it's just rocks, as you can see behind me. There's no sargassum here though, but I'm sure these rocks are pretty slippery. There's one little bitty beach right down there. Not the ideal spot to go swimming. So things are never what they seem. You never want to get your hopes up when you plot points and want to go visit, because you never know what they're going to be like. So we might just move on. Well, I thought this was going to be the day of fails. Everywhere we've gone. Try again. But this restaurant's open. Well, we had a good lunch at the restaurant that we went to. It's just off the main area, so it's nice and quiet. It's has a local feel. Jay had a burrito. I did not have Mexican food. I had chicken fingers and fries. They were delicious with barbecue sauce. I haven't had barbecue sauce in months. It was really good. And we are going to hop back in the rental car and try and find another public beach. Going the wrong way on a one-way street. Whoops! One good about the Volkswagen, it has a built-in phone holder.
Oh.
So we actually found a little piece of, oh, bird scared me. I thought it was an iguana. When we went to the first public beach, an iguana scared the crap out of me. So we bought these the first time I'm gonna actually go in the water and try these little plastic things, see if they work. I don't even know if you'll be able to hear me when I actually put it in here, but can you hear me? I have no idea if this is gonna work. First time in the ocean since we've been here since February 1st. And it's beautiful. But every time I put my phone in the water inside this little bag, it's like the water turns it off. I don't know how to keep it recording. So this is the best I can do. I'm also going to pin the locations for the 3 public beaches that we went to today, the restaurant and the place that we rented the car, just in case you want to rent a car when you come to Cozumel. It was ISIS that we used, and it was 45 USD for 6-7 hours. We had a lot of fun in the bug, and we would definitely maybe rent a scooter next time, because I feel like you can get and park to a lot of different areas with a scooter, and you can weave, bebop in and out of traffic a little bit better than sitting at the traffic lights sweating your butt off. But I will leave them all in the description box below. I honestly thought this day was going to be an epic fail, but it turned out to be an awesome day. Even though the 2 first public beaches that we went to, we couldn't really get into the water. The second one we couldn't even park because there was construction across the street. So as we were having lunch, we Googled another public beach and found this one, and there's parking. That is the tricky part here, is to find parking at the public beaches. But we have had such a good day. I love being able to have our own transportation and stop wherever we want, get out, take a look, and venture off, and then get back in the car or hop on the scooter and just tour around. That's the best thing about having your own transportation when you're at a new place. I love it. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and we will catch you in the next one, guys. Bye.